strong supply chain system enables us to support high demand of global market in the industry. Our core team started developing the software of intelligent aircraft since 2002, then started designing and making RC airplanes by 2010. Now it has grown up to 20 senior engineers in R&D, 10 representatives in sales, and 400 skilled workers in production. We have built up ISO 9001 system and passed ICTI, BSCI, and GSV audition. Our products can meet all international standards. Our branded products have been sold widely in the global market. Our manufacturing takes 5,000 square meters in space, with in-house injection machines, high-speed SMT production lines, wave soldering machines, and plugging lines. We have gained superior advantages in developing and manufacturing products at a highly competitive cost. Dron, independent high-end products R&D team, was established in 2015. It focuses in providing solutions for intelligent UAV and robot products. The team has grown up to a dozen senior engineers and has obtained 30 patents. The world is constantly changing, but Apex holds the same.